County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clark's Green or over Waverly, moving east at 45 miles per hour. However, gusts from the storm were pushing out well out in front of it. At hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. The storm also has a history of down trees. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Scranton, Dunmore, Carbondale, Old Fort, Archbald, Blakely, Taylor, Dixon City, Brunswick, and Ellicott. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Pike and Wayne.